Alright, so now it should start. Warm up. There she is. Idle down, it keeps idling back up. I don't know if it just needs warmed up or what. Camera won't focus. Anyway, it still needs some tuning. But I'm gonna get some new tires for it. These are they're not absolutely terrible, but like this one is. This one's pretty bad, and it's flat. It don't hold air. Back's all right, but I'm just gonna get a cheap set, just something to run. I don't think I'm gonna be riding as much as I used to, but I could use this to work on the property and stuff, which I'm gonna show you in a future video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.